A historic announcement tonight from the FDA. For the first time ever, they've decided to allow smokeless tobacco products to be marketed as a less harmful alternative to cigarettes. But as Richard Giacovas explains, that doesn't mean they aren't a health hazard.
As most customers at Smoke Zone Smoke Shop looked around for strawberry and pineapple hookah and vape flavors Tuesday night, nearly every cigarette brand lined the wall behind the register. But not on display was a tobacco product that wasn't really selling, but soon could be.
There's a lot of people that likes it, but they don't like the price.
It's called snus, a pouch of ground tobacco that users stick between their cheek and gum to absorb nicotine, has been all the rage in Scandinavian countries. And now in the U.S., it's the first ever reduced risk tobacco product officially backed by the FDA as a safer alternative to smoking cigarettes.
It's smokeless tobacco.
And even though U.S. health regulators stress that the pouches, which come in flavors like mint and wintergreen, aren't safe, but rather less harmful, a sentiment that pulmonologist at Lenox Hill Hospital, New York City, Dr. Len Horowitz, agrees with.
Because almost 500,000 people die every year from lung cancer and related lung diseases to smoking, certainly a safer alternative that only causes oral cancers and affects 8,000 people a year is better than 500,000 people a year. So this would seem to be a better, less toxic alternative.
And even though the FDA says that snus is a safer alternative than a package of cigarettes, smoke shop owners say not so fast, because a pack of these will cost you about $30 or twice as much as those cigarettes.
Doesn't make sense. I mean, it's going to cost me double to quit.
But the FDA is sticking with their decision, hoping to lower lung cancer and emphysema diagnoses, and most importantly, save more lives.
There's now some science behind your late-night junk food cravings. According to researchers, when you're sleep deprived, a hormone called ghrelin increases in your body, and that leads to hunger. But few of us wake up craving a salad or carrot sticks, and that's because researchers also found a naturally occurring cannabis-like substance in the human body that triggers cravings for fatty and sugary foods. And bad news, not getting enough sleep makes that even worse. Always brand maxi pads and tampons will no longer have the female symbol on the packaging. Procter & Gamble announced the change today. Transgender activists have been pushing for it, saying not everybody who menstruates identifies as a woman and not all women menstruate. The company says it will continue to champion girls and women while still being mindful of the diversity of women.